This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're looking at this product from Vevor. This is their rolling garden seat. This is their model TC4501S-BL or -GN. This is a very nice garden seat. Vevor, again, a very recognizable name in tools, and they build some good stuff. So what you've got is a little bit of assembly required, but I'm going to go through some of the features of this very quickly. We've got pneumatic tires, so they hold air, a basket in the back, a little kind of a compartment down here under the bottom of the seat, your handle, which is adjustable here, so you can roll it wherever you want to, and then a weather cover for the seat, and the seat is also adjustable up and down just by twirling it. As you can see, it's going up. So you have steering capabilities with it as well, with the handle, and you steer it one way or the other, right? So that's pretty much the features of this. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and take it out and show you a demonstration process of potentially using it in the garden, storing some things in it as well, and we'll do that here next. Alright guys, so I got this partially assembled. There are a few steps. It comes in a bunch of pieces. I've already assembled the front end. As you can see, we've got a few other pieces to put together. Just some basic tools, not too hard. Instructions are pretty straightforward as well. So I'll assemble it and we'll demonstrate it here next. Alright guys, so not only can you just sit on it and move around, but that handle allows you to roll it around pretty easily as well. Like pulling it like a wagon, right? So if we go over here, I've got plenty of peaches that I can pick from our tree. So I'm just going to kind of show you how you could use this very quickly. And I'll bring the wagon over here. So basically, I'll get you a little further away so that you can see. What I do is I'll sit on it and I can move around, right? Pick things, put them in the little bin or the basket in the back there. So I sit on it, the handle, and move the handle down, move it around like a little cart here, and then come over here, take off a peach. Put it in the basket here. Same thing with this. And so on and so forth. So, as opposed to, not having somewhere to put something or something along those lines. So, that's very nice. We can see which others may be ready to be picked here in just a second. But yeah, so you could just do what you need to, pick off what you want, and you're good to go. So again, pretty good garden cart for your needs here. Put 3 peaches in the little bin here, and as you can see, they don't really take up that much space, so I can pick up a lot more peaches here, and then we can, fill up the cart, roll around with it, and do our job that we need to do out in the garden. Alright, that's everything on this rolling garden seat. Should be very handy. Built pretty well. Overall assembly is pretty easy also, and should suit your gardening needs pretty well for you. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, found it helpful and informative, and I will catch y'all on the next one.